It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 3rd of July. I'm Michael Groff. Seasonably hot, dry, and locally windy conditions this afternoon here in the Valley. And we'll see that continue into your 4th of July holiday. By the end of the week, oh boy, the furnace gets cranked up. Temperatures heading for 115 degrees in some spots. But the monsoon moisture will follow quickly on its heels. And our first appreciable chance of rain comes into the Valley by the weekend and through much of next week. We're on quite a streak right now, 114 consecutive days without measurable rain in Phoenix. When does that end? Let's see if we can find an answer to that. First, the almanac from yesterday, 108 degrees the high in the valley after a morning low of 79. And outside right now here at 5:55 a.m., clear skies in the valley, 82 degrees to begin this day at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, humidity 23%, winds are light, barometer 29.84 inches and rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, low 70s in the cool spots, low 80s for the urban core. It is 76 pleasant degrees here in Arcadia, where I am right now. The upper air look, we've got troughing over the northwestern states. That'll help be the impetus for some windy weather around here later today. A ridge developing to our east, which will ultimately become the dominant weather feature over the southwest. The watch warning map, heat continues to be the major weather headline across the country. Many of the northeastern hubs sweltering again today, highs in the 90s, and humidity levels, dew points up in the 60s and 70s. So heat index values in spots could be as high as 105 to 110 degrees. That's also the case for parts of the plain states around Kansas City, and a severe thunderstorm watch in parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. And out here in the west, red flag warnings to our north. Here in Arizona, an excessive heat watch for much of western and south central Arizona, including the valley. That goes in effect Thursday morning, continues till Friday evening. Heat advisories in some of the higher elevations of Gila County. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms across parts of the Dakotas, a marginal risk for the adjacent states. And rainfall for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. They've gone pretty conservative on this forecast, but I have a feeling we could see a lot more than what's shown here, depending on how much monsoon moisture starts to work its way in here. And we'll get into the details of that now as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's our trough over the Pacific Northwest and swinging through the Great Basin. Little short wave there. And the pressure gradient will be tightening, so down at the surface, even though skies are mostly sunny, we will turn breezy to locally windy this afternoon with southwesterly winds, 8 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts as high as 30 miles per hour here in the valley. Maybe some patchy blowing dust, certainly out over the open deserts. That's something to be looking out for. If you're traveling on the I-8 or I-10 corridors, you know the deal by now. Highs this afternoon between 106 and 109 degrees. Tonight, mostly clear. It's a dry air mass, so it will cool off rather quickly. Lows, low 70s to low 80s, and then tomorrow, for your Independence Day, mostly sunny skies, highs 105 to 108. And by the time you get out to watching those fireworks around 9, 10 o'clock, I'd say temperatures are down for the most part into the 90s, maybe even upper 80s in some of the cooler spots. Thursday, here comes the heat. High pressure rapidly building in north of the state. The heights are coming up. High temperatures 111 to 115. The sky's mostly sunny. Friday morning, we'll start the day out in the 80s and low 90s. High temperatures again, 111 to 114. The sky starts out mostly sunny in the morning. Some afternoon clouds will develop. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over the mountains. They'll try to make it toward the deserts, and we could see some gusty winds and some blowing dust in here Friday afternoon and Friday evening. I think that chance is pretty small, but not zero. So keep that in mind. Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms again over the mountains. They'll try to make it toward the deserts. The moisture continues to increase, so as those humidity levels come up, the temperatures come down. Highs 107 to 110. Sunday, partly sunny, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the mountains, widely scattered showers and storms here in the deserts, and I'd say this is probably our first real chance of getting any measurable rain in the valley. Even at that, though, probably still only about a 20% chance. High temperatures 104 to 108. Monday, we continue to see monsoon moisture increase. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms over the high country, widely scattered showers and storms in the late afternoon and evenings, primarily over the deserts. Highs 103 to 107. And here we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 10th of July, and we're into the stuck record part of the forecast at this point. Hot and muggy each day. Yes, that's right. The old adage, it's a dry heat, doesn't apply to Phoenix this time of year. Partly sunny skies each day. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms over the mountains. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoons and evenings here in the valley. Highs 103 to 107. Lows mainly in the 80s to near 90. And that will continue all the way out to the end of the forecast period and probably beyond this point. Here's Thursday, the 12th of July. No obvious features to change the weather pattern in any meaningful way, but some days will be more active than others. We know that as we head through the monsoon. All right, let's check the numbers coming off the GFS Ensemble through the period. Yes, it's got us at 114 on Thursday, 112 on Friday, and then temperatures gradually heading down and maybe even slightly below average as we head into next week and through mid-July. We'll see. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool out there, and have yourselves a great Tuesday.